Welcome to EZLOGZ. This video is part of a series of training videos with helpful and in-depth information on our products. Find out how EZLOGZ can increase your fleet performance and save money. HOS violations. The safety manager needs to check the park's HOS daily. To do this, go to the logbook menu. Select the date range. And check for violations. To fix it, click on the block with the required driver, and go to the Log Status tab. Click the Edit. Select the status you want to change. Select New Status instead of Old. Select a reason for the change. Click Save. Please note, automatically recorded driving cannot be changed. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our support, which is available 24/7.